Who doesn't enjoy the taste of Lindt chocolate? Well, the other day I saw this video and he did something interesting and amazing. So today I'll be putting Lindt chocolate in whiskey for a week or until something interesting happens. Then we'll make an old fashioned out of it.
You will try.
See you in a week. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. So it's been more than a week that I put Lindt chocolate candies in whiskey, and now it's time to try this. Look at that, we still have balls.
Show some bowls. I got bowls.
All right, I'm gonna flip this over and open this puppy up. Smells pretty decent. You can still smell the chocolate, you can smell the whiskey. All right, time to try this. As he says, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Still tastes very good. Time to do a shot of this bad boy. Let's taste this. I'm not sure if it's because I still have the chocolate in my mouth, but you get that whiskey, you get that chocolate. Pretty good mix. I like it. So now time to figure out how to make an old fashioned out of this.
You can do it!
Normally, I have a pre-plan, know what I'm doing before I even start filming, but I needed to taste this to figure out what I wanted to do with this. So now that I tasted it, let me see what I can come up with. If you're liking these videos, please click on that like button. Also, hit that subscribe and notification bell. Okay, after a little bit of thought, I think I came up with something. So I haven't tried it yet. We're making it here on the spot. We're gonna make it in a mixing glass, all right? We're gonna start off with 1 dash of orange bitters, 1 dash of this vanilla bitters, and 2 to 3 dashes of this Mexican chocolate. Now, I just made some regular simple syrup, 101 parts. And we're just gonna do a quarter of an ounce of this because I'm gonna add another sweetener to this as well. Chocolates and cherries go so well together. I'm gonna add a little bit of the maraschino cherry juice to this one as well. I'm just gonna get a spoonful of it. Love how thick that juice is. We're gonna keep this on the side because I'm gonna use the cherries for garnish at the end. We can't forget, we're gonna do a full 2 ounces of this Lindt chocolate infused whiskey. The way this tastes, I kind of wish I would have made a little bit more. All right, let's add some ice. And of course, stir and chilled. We're gonna add a large ice to the glass. Strain this over it. So like I said, we're gonna garnish with some of these cherries. All right, it's time to try this Lindt Chocolate Old-Fashioned. Ooh, lots of chocolate in this one. Kind of want to go back to my other drink where I messed up when I put 2 chocolate nibs and made it real bitter, and try it with actually this. Lots of chocolate up front. Whiskey's really smooth. You know, nobody likes to use the word smooth for whiskey, but it's really smooth on this one. Smooth. Get a little bit of sweetness, get a little bit of that bitters. Hey, I like it. I think I did a good one with this first one. Definitely on the sweeter side, but it's actually a really good one. I do enjoy it. A lot different than I thought.
Oh, went somewhere different than I thought.
So what do you think? I really enjoy @DokaRyan videos. They're just fun. He does all these weird things and experiments, and it just seems like he's having a lot of fun doing it. He wins some, he loses some, but hey, I like it. I think I'm gonna try to get more ideas from him. So what do you think? You think I should go and look at some of his other videos and get some ideas on one to infuse whiskey with? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for joining me on another journey down my old-fashioned rabbit hole. Till our next journey, my friends. Cheers.